What if your morning tea ritual could unlock a 1,300-year-old secret to crushing stress and finding real peace? Today, we're diving into Gongfu Cha, the traditional Chinese tea ceremony, where a leaf and hot water transform into pure mindfulness. Gongfu Cha isn't just fancy tea, it's making tea with skill, an active meditation that forces you to slow down, breathe, and connect. This ceremony demands your full attention, rewarding you with evolving flavors, zero distractions, and a legitimate brain reset. The history of tea begins around 2700 BC, with Emperor Shennong legendarily discovering tea when a leaf fell into his boiling water. During the Han Dynasty, tea was a salty, gingery medicinal soup, evolving significantly through the Tang Dynasty with Liu Yu's Cha Jing, the world's first tea Bible. The Song dynasty saw whisked powdered tea in frothy competitions, but the game changer arrived in 1391 during the Ming dynasty. Emperor Hongwu banned compressed tea cakes, leading to the rise of loose-leaf tea and the development of a small Yixing clay pot, where Gongfu Cha was born. The philosophy behind Gongfu Cha is a triple threat, blending Taoism for harmony with nature, Buddhism for mindfulness, and Confucianism for respect. You don't need a museum, just a few key tools like the Yixing teapot, which seasons like cast iron, getting better with age. The Gaiwan, a lidded bowl, represents heaven, earth, and you, offering a purer taste, while the fairness pitcher ensures equal strength for all servings. Tiny tasting cups encourage mindful sips, and the six gentlemen are precision tools for the ceremony. Let's brew. Start by warming everything. Boil water to 95 degrees Celsius for oolong, then pour it over your pot, pitcher, and cups to cleanse and preheat. Next, present the dry tea leaves in a dish to appreciate their cold aroma before loading your vessel 1/3 to 1/2 full for intense flavor. Wake the leaves with a quick 5-second rinse, then discard the water. This opens up the compressed leaves. For the first real infusion, pour water from a height to aerate it. Steep for 15 to 20 seconds, then fully decant into the fairness pitcher. Serve by circle pouring into tiny cups, ensuring everyone receives the same magic, then taste like a pro. Observe the tea's color and clarity, smell its hot aroma, then the empty cup, and finally, sip 3 times, noting taste, texture, and hui gone, the sweet aftertaste. Repeat the infusions, adding 5 to 10 seconds each time, and watch the tea evolve from floral to fruity to mineral. This isn't just brewing. It's a conversation with the leaf, a moving meditation that lowers cortisol levels. The Cha Dao, or the way of tea, is guided by 4 pillars: Ha for harmony, Jing for respect, Mei for beauty and purity, and Zhen for truth and tranquility. Your brain can't multitask when you're counting seconds and pouring with grace. This is science meeting ancient wisdom. Don't be scared it's too complex. A simple 10-minute solo session with a Gaiwan, pitcher, and cup can provide significant benefits. Gongfu Cha isn't about perfection, it's about presence. One leaf, one moment, one calmer you. Try it this week, and hit subscribe for more rituals that actually work.